So something like this, like I find you can have a little bit closer because it's not one individual plant. It's a cluster of like vegetable that you harvest as one whole piece. So this here would be totally fine to keep, you know, as a thicker layer like this. But it's mostly like when you're thinning out plants, you're basically thinning them out because each plant has to have its own room to grow. You know, and again, for like say lettuce is the same thing. You don't want to have like leaf lettuce too close together because you're actually trying to get one cluster of lettuce per clump. Treat these ones a little bit different than you would treat, you know, a cabbage or a carrot or, you know, broccoli, where you want just that one plant to have its own space to grow. So this is totally fine as is. Same as that there. I'm not sure what vegetable is, but just from, you know, just by looking at that vegetable, I would say that would be something, again, you would harvest the whole top and let it flush out again. Or you can use it as like a microgreen. You know, microgreens you would harvest, you know, at this stage, you'd be harvesting these as like, say, like a microgreens, and you'd shave that down and then let it regrow again. Or you can let them grow. I have it here as one bigger clump. And same thing, if you look down in the middle, you know, a lot of these smaller plants in between, they're actually still growing. They're still getting, you know, probably enough sunlight to grow up. And at this stage, what you'd be doing is you would chop these stems down right here because they're already getting to their height that you want to harvest them. And then now you're letting light get down into the bottom, and you're now letting vegetable grow up. So again, you know, that would be fine to keep as one whole clump like that. And it looks like they got all their eggplants and peppers down the side there. You know, enough space for all those to naturally grow by themselves. Yeah, again with the piles here, right? Like when you add your piles,